I want to talk about like the number one mistake that most new business owners make, especially when you are in the concierge type industry. And I'm going to simplify it and then I want to break it down for you so that you really understand it. So the number one mistake that people make is overcomplicating and not simplifying. And I think the reason why we do this is because we don't see the value in offering maybe just one thing or offering one service. And we think that the fastest way to grow a business is to serve a variety of different people. And I can do all the things for different people. And although that is true, when it comes to now putting that service out into the market, helping people know how to hire you and refer you, the simpler you are, the faster it will be for you to grow. So I want you to hear this. Number one, you have to simplify your niche. Pick one core bucket of people that you want to help. Busy people, moving people, seniors, entrepreneurs, families. Pick what I think of as like a bucket of humans. What are you passionate about and who are the people you really want to help? The second thing is the simplicity in your services. You do not have to do online services and offline services and behind the scenes services and in your office services. Simplify the services because again, the more complex it is, the harder it is to market and the harder it is for people to sell. The next thing is simplifying your pricing. So I teach a lot about pricing and I also teach a pricing model called membership model, which is great. But here's where people get it wrong. That is a high strategic move once you've already become known in your community for what it is that you do. When you try to insert that too soon, most people, they don't have that kind of understanding about what it is that you do, and then you end up selling these memberships to people who aren't actually a right fit client for those memberships. So you want to make sure that your pricing is also simple. So the number one mistake people make is this overcomplication. So you want a simple niche, simple services, simple pricing. And then on the other side of that is not waiting. So people will often wait to get all their ducks in the row. They will wait till they get their insurance. They're going to wait until they get their LLC. They're going to wait until they get the website up. And none of those things is actually helping you get clients. The thing that's helping you get clients is you actually going out into the world, talking to people, helping people understand what it is that you do. Not hiding behind your computer, not hiding behind an LLC or insurance. If it takes you 4 months to get the right insurance for your business, and you don't start talking to people, that is 4 months wasted waiting for insurance versus while you are getting the insurance, be out there talking about what it is that you do in a simple way. Simplified niche, simplified services, simplified pricing. And I will tell you that it's those people who keep it clean, keep it simple, that actually grow the fastest. Those are the people that go from $0 to $50K in 1 year. They help seniors and they help seniors live in their homes and they run errands for them. Clean and simple. They have a simple pricing structure. Or somebody else who does downsizing for families. Simple niche, simple services, very simple pricing. Don't overcomplicate it. What happens is when we are trying to prove ourselves, we tend to speak about our services and our niches and we can help everybody. And what I think we're doing is we're trying to justify charging for doing the things that we want to do. So if you didn't have to justify charging somebody or asking somebody to pay you because you were professionally running errands for them, if you didn't have to justify that cost, would you do just errands for people? Or do you feel the need to add in all these other services to make you feel good about your pricing? It's a really good question I want you to consider. All right, my friends, if this video was helpful for you, make sure that you hit up the like button and subscribe so that you don't miss any other upcoming episodes. Bye for now.